Hello, welcome again. We are covering Geography of Class 10 from NCERT book under heading Contemporary India 2 for Civil Services Pre and CDS exam. Next topic in land resources or in resources development is land degradation and conservation measures. So I will read this. These are the theory from directly from the NCERT book. There is nothing to explain. I will just read these points. The first point is we have shared our land with past generation and will have to do so with future generations too. 95% of our basic needs for food, shelter, and clothing are obtained from land. Human activities have not only brought about degradation of land but also aggravated the pace of natural forces to cause damage to land. Next point, at present there are about 130 million hectares of degraded land in India. Approximately 28% of it belong to the category of forest degraded area. 56% of it is water eroded area, and rest is affected by saline and alkaline deposits. Next point is some human activities such as deforestation, overgrazing, mining and quarrying too have contributed significantly in land degradation. Next point, mining sites are abandoned after excavation work is complete, leaving deep scars and traces of overburdening. In states like Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh and Odisha, deforestation due to mining have caused severe land degradation. In states like Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra, overgrazing is one of the major main reasons for land degradation. In the states of Punjab, Haryana, Western Uttar Pradesh, over irrigation is responsible for land degradation due to water logging leading to increase in salinity and alkalinity in the soil. So these are the reasons for degradation of land in various states. Next point, the mineral processing like grinding of limestone for cement industry and calcite and soapstone for ceramic industry generate huge quantity of dust in the atmosphere. It retards the process of infiltration of water into the soil after it settles down on the land. Next point, in recent years, industrial effluents as waste have become a major source of land and water pollution in many parts of the country. Next point, there are many ways to solve the problem of land degradation. Afforestation and proper management of grazing can help to some extent. Next point, planting of shelter belts of plants, control of control on overgrazing, stabilization of sand dunes by growing thorny bushes are some of the methods to check land degradation. So these are the methods to control land degradation or to reduce land degradation. Next point, proper management of wastelands, controlling of mining activities, proper discharge and disposal of industrial effluents and waste after treatment can reduce land and water degradation in industrial and suburban areas. So these are land degradation and causes of land degradation and measure we can take to control or to reduce land degradation. Just we have to read this and answer the question asked in different exams. Okay.